Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be fun to do a clean with me slash spend the day with me slash decorate for fall. So this was my Sunday, and it was just a great Sunday because the weather is getting nice and chilly and it was just amazing. So I started the day by watering my plants and spending some time with them. I have basil, cilantro, and parsley, and everything is growing and it looks so beautiful. So I just spent some time watering my plants, and I'm gonna let you just enjoy.
Why are you being cruel when we could have all?
Next, I started playing with some of my new products that I got in. This is a lip gloss from Bite Beauty. It's their new plumping gloss, and it's really cool because the applicator is shaped like a lipstick, and then you twist it at the bottom and the gloss comes out, and it's really nice. It's not too minty, not too plumping, so it doesn't agitate the lips. It's just a nice little cooling effect, and I thought the applicator was really cool, and I like the lip gloss a lot. I love the color of it. I think it's really pretty. It's just like a nice pearlescent gold glitter kind of lip gloss, and I do love plumping glosses, but some of them can be very, very irritating. And this one is really soothing. It's not irritating at all. So I really liked it. And I also got in some new skincare from Saturday Skin. And they have this new like serum. It's a clarifying pore toner and a new whipped cream. And I loved the toner. It was really nice, like a thin serum. I loved the smell too. It was like very spa-like. And it was just a great experience. I love Saturday Skin. I've used their glacier water for a long time, and I really like it. So I was so excited to try these. And then this whipped cream was so amazing because it was very lightweight. Like when I touched it, I was like, whoa, like it felt so light on the skin. But once you applied it, your skin felt super hydrated, as if you used a really thick moisturizer. So I thought that was really cool because it goes on very lightweight, but it feels really moisturizing. So just thought I'd share with you guys some of the new products I received. Links will be down below. Next, I put on my fall candle. I love this. I got this at Target. This is the pumpkin bourbon candle. And of course, we got to get in the fall spirit. So I put on my candle and I started cleaning up. I'm just removing all of the pillows and everything off the couch, everything off the coffee table that doesn't belong there, so we can have a nice clean surface to clean and decorate. I'm flipping all of my couch cushions. I like to do this every few weeks just so that everything gets used evenly. Next, I'm spraying my couch with my favorite rose scent spray from Mrs. Meyer's. And then I like to just fluff the pillows and spray them as well. I was watching Grease, so if you see me laughing or singing along, that's why.
In the drive-thru.
Next, I'm going to just fold up my cute little linen throw and place that on the couch as well.
Let's pretend we're alright in the drive-thru. I'm in love with you. Now I know what
Now I'm just gonna turn on the fireplace because I want that really cozy fall ambiance. And I'm gonna work on this corner here. I recently picked up this chair from the Studio McGee collection at Target, and I love it. So I wanted to do like a little bit of a more traditional style this year. So I wanted to go in with pumpkins and just give it a really cozy traditional fall look. with my little, you know, glam simplistic edge as well. So we have this nice traditional, still very like modest pumpkin because it's not super bright orange, and I got that at Home Goods. Actually both of those pumpkins I got at Home Goods, and then the other one is like a nude beige color with like a champagne glitter. So I love the mix of like the glam pumpkin with the more traditional pumpkin, and even though it's not really like, you know, so much of my style, I just really wanted to get super into the fall spirit and get a little crazy with the pumpkins, and I thought it looked really cute. So this is the finished look with everything done. You can see that the decor hasn't really changed. I just added some pumpkins. I'm not going too crazy this season. You guys will see that just very small touches. So then for the other side of the living room where I have my second closet, I have this glass pumpkin and this like seagrass tray. I just threw those up there. That glass pumpkin is going to be my centerpiece for my Friendsgiving table, but because it's glass, I wanted it to be somewhere safe, so I thought it looked really cute up there with the little tray next to it, another pop of fall decor while still being storage. And then for underneath the coffee table, I have this black stone bowl, I can't talk, with this beaded garland. Those are both from Target as well. And actually the tray and the glass pumpkin is from Target. And what else was from Target? The candle. Oh, and this candle in the bathroom. So I just went in and picked up this fireside gold candle from Target as well. And again, like I said, very simplistic little touches. I didn't want to do anything crazy. I wanted to just add things that I would normally add that were a little bit more for the season. And then I found this really cute bath mat at Target for $10. So I had to get it. I thought it was so cute and really completes the fall vibes in the bathroom. Now for the dining room area, I'm just gonna clean off my surface with, again, Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. And then I'm decorating with what I already had, and you'll see the little touches of fall. But this was already my tablescape or my table decor. I recently picked up this slab of wood from Home Goods, and I had to get it because it has little pedestal legs, and it was only $12.99, so I had to get that. And then I recently picked up this vase, which is also from the Studio McGee collection at Target. And I already had this pampas grass. I got this at Amazon. And then this little bundle of greens, or not greens, plants, dried florals. I can't talk. This little bundle I got in a PR package, and I was like, oh my God, this is too cute. I can't get rid of it. So I made it work, and I added it to my little pampas grass thing here. And I just think it adds the perfect little touch of like a fall feeling. It gives very harvest vibes. And then next to that are these links. And this is also from Studio McGee at Target. If you didn't watch my last Target haul, definitely check it out. And then that's it for my table right now. Once I have Friendsgiving, I'll be doing another video as I usually do every year. So go check out those videos if you guys want some inspiration for your Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving. And then I wanted to show you guys, if you've been following my home decor series, we did put the chandelier back up. I just thought the other light just wasn't doing it for me. The chandelier makes it brighter. So for the kitchen, the only thing I did was I added this white pumpkin to my little coffee tea station. I don't know if I'm going to keep it like this because it looks a little messy and bulky to me. But for now, I just threw it up there because we found it in the closet. And I think it looked nice with the other white canisters that we have. And then the coffee station is staying the same. And there's a little break for my pup. This is my puppy, Kal-El. Guys, he's going to be a year old October 9th. Can you believe it? Time is really flying, my little baby boy. So enjoy a little puppy break. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go finish my coffee and finish watching Grease in front of the fireplace. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys like these videos and you want to see more. I will also try to link as many of the products that I showed you in the description box. I love you, stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.